Hi guys, Ileane Smith here, and this video is for anyone who has a new Mac or if you just made some changes to things on your Mac and you want to start live streaming. With the latest release, you want to go into your Mac preferences. And from there, you're going to go into security and privacy. Now, this is for those of us who are live streaming. You'll go to privacy, then you will scroll down. I already have it checked, but scroll down to screen recording and make sure that all of your live apps, your live streaming apps, including the browsers, are checked off. Let's go back up to cameras and make sure those are all included as well. All of the things that you use your camera for. In fact, there's no zoom under screen sharing. So let's try that. So I just opened Zoom for the first time on this Mac and attempted to screen share. So I got this message and it tells me to go into my system preferences and security and privacy to grant access. So now let's go back over to system preferences. And now you see that Zoom is added to the list. And so all I need to do is check that off. Zoom will not be able to record the contents of your screen until it is quit. So see, this is something that you want to do in advance. You don't want to try to screen share while you're on a live stream and you get this message. So you're going to have, because you're going to have to quit that application. And then when you open it back up, it's going to be there in your preferences under privacy. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful. And this also serves as a reminder. Like I said, if you just so happen to get a new Mac, you're going to have to go through and do all of this. All right, so talk to you later. Have a great day.